Sufferers of angular cheilitis know best that living with such a condition can be quite a nightmare, especially when the sores start to bleed, hurt and sometimes even itch. The treatment may last several weeks, time in which the condition may become better, but the pain and itching will still remain. If you are experiencing these sensations and the treatment will not make them go away, here are some homemade solutions which can bring you some relief. These recipes are all natural, so that they do not have any side effects. In addition to that, they do not interfere in any way with the treatment you use, regardless of which that is, thus you can also continue with your treatment and use these relief techniques too. One of the best natural medicines is honey. Having great antifungal and antibacterial properties, honey is great for killing the source of infection, take the pain away and make the itching stop. In addition to that, it contains minerals and vitamins which will help the skin heal faster. Thus, if you have some honey in your kitchen, preferably ecological honey, without any preservatives or additives, apply some on the affected area each day and leave it there for a couple of minutes, then wash it off with plenty of water. You will feel better and the angular cheilitis will start to disappear step by step. If you want to moisturize the lips and the affected area, you should apply cocoa butter or vitamin E on the respective areas. This will prevent the skin from further cracking, making it more elastic, thus the pain when you open the mouth will be considerably reduced. Aloe vera and cucumber slices are also very effective in hydrating the area and killing bacteria, thus if you have such plants in your house or you can purchase them from the local market, they will make great adjuvants for your treatment. Just rub them on the affected area and the itchiness will start to disappear while the swallowing and redness of the skin will go away after several uses. You can also rub the affected areas with a pinch of salt and on the top of it put some drops of olive oil. This will calm the skin and make the condition bearable. These homemade recipes are only for relieving the pain and stopping the condition from its fast evolution, but they cannot be used as treatments for angular cheilitis. They are great to work along with the treatment, not all by themselves, so do not stop your treatment when using them, even though you may feel better from them.